Hey, good morning. Good morning. Just cruising into work in Seattle here. About to go through the tunnel underneath the city. And just wanted to kind of give a report on my fuel economy and the gearing and all that. So I've got the 529 gears, still rocking the old 235, 85, 16 BFG All Terrains. I'll probably get another set of those since I'm getting pretty good fuel economy on those tires. I was thinking about going bigger, but I think my average around town's probably around 16 and a half, and on the highway now I've been averaging about 20, 19 and a half, 20 and a half, depending on the day. When I'm traveling like from Tacoma to Seattle in this kind of rolling slow type traffic. So yeah, I'm still super happy with the gears. I think they made a big difference in the drivability, and I'm a lot less annoyed by the transmission. Now it gets into 6th gear and it stays there. Right now we're at about 55 miles an hour, just under 2,000 RPMs in 6th gear, and there's a port over here. I'm heading over to get on a commercial fishing boat soon to do some work, and here we go into the tunnel. So yeah, I don't know. I think the gears are worth doing if you're thinking about it. I've got that Super Pacific Camper going on in a couple days, so I'll give you an update on that, see what it does to my fuel economy. Right now I don't have anything in the bed of the truck. I took off my dually exporter ladder rack, and I had a rocket box up there just for extra lockable storage. Now I'll have the whole bed will be lockable storage, so that'll be great. And that's about it. The truck's working okay. I'm almost at 60,000 miles. That means I've got about 15,000 on the gears, probably a little more than that, and they're all right. The Toyota dealer said I need a gear oil change, but they might just tell everybody around 50,000 miles they need that. So I'll probably do that. It's just been a little harder to schedule everything, having 2 jobs and still parenting and everything. So we'll get that gear oil changed. I don't know if I'll have the Toyota dealer do it and just put regular dinosaur oil in it, or if I'll go back to the gear place and have the synthetic installed. But anyway, I think I got to take an exit soon, and have a great day, and let me know if you have any questions or whatever, and we'll see you in the next one.